JonnyPink, and I'm wearing my rain jacket. For those of you that have never shot out in the rain, man, it is such an absolute blast. It's cold, it's wet. I'm shooting again with the Z9. I do have it wrapped up. Here we go. I do have it wrapped up, and I had my regular camera that I was going to use, my lav mic and everything, but I just want to keep it really simple right now. It's beautiful out here. This is again the Malibu Lagoon. I'm just enjoying shooting here and taking video in the rain. It's all handheld. I mean, I have my tripod over there, but everything I'm doing today is handheld. Everything I'm doing today is handheld, and I'm in the rain, and it is so awesome. So out here I've seen egrets. There was a whole flock of them that flew away. A killdeer was out here. There's the willets, or are they the I don't know, I'll list them. There's coots out there as well, there's ducks, and it's raining, and it's just so awesome. I'm gonna wander out to the beach and see what's out that way. Beautiful. Let's go this way. That's the trail, and the lifeguard just drove by. See, this is where your waterproof shoes come in. This is so cool. Man, that is one very angry ocean. Well, it's not angry, it's just dirty. Oh, it's just absolutely beautiful. Cormorants flying in with everything else, the crows, the seagulls, the pelicans. It's an absolutely magical day here in the rain. If you have not gotten out to shoot in the rain, I cannot recommend it enough. It is an absolute blast. The Z9 is weather sealed. I have this around it just in case. I really wouldn't be worried about shooting out here without all this on there, but I'm being safe. Shooting at an auto ISO, you can do that on this. I can do that on the R5. I would not do that on the R7 with all that information on such a small sensor. It does get noisy, and I wouldn't do it on my older ones. My older DSLR, I'd be thinking about every single shot in the rain. This is absolutely stunningly beautiful. The dynamic range on the Nikon cameras, where they excel is their dynamic range. And I can pull out anything and enhance anything in these photos when I'm editing them. It's beautiful. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I am happy to answer. If you're near and you guys want to go out and shoot, man, let's go do it. Let's have some fun. JonnyPink, all I can say is thank you for letting me share with you guys. Thank you for sticking with me through all this stuff, man. I really, really enjoy being out here, and I enjoy being able to share. It makes me really, really happy. Nikon Z9 in the rain. I've shot my 800 in the rain, I've shot my Canon R5 in the rain, and the Z9 now in the rain, and this is specifically all I wanted to do was take some shots in the rain today, and it's been beautiful. So you guys have a fantastic day out there. Whatever it is you're going to do, I'll see you out there. Leave me a comment down below if you have any. Give it a thumbs up, it helps me out, and I'll see you guys out there. I'll see you guys, man. Thanks. Man, I have to say this has been a phenomenal day.